Hello, Mr. Boom here, and welcome to Forex Billionaire Hub. And in this video, we're going to analyze the market for fundamentally and technically both sides. That means we're going to analyze the market for next week and next Monday to Friday. And before we start analyzing, we have to keep our concern on four things basically. Number one is fundamental factors. Number one is US inflation. Okay, US inflation. Number two is Federal Reserve. Okay, Federal Reserve factor, that means DXY. And number three is US dollar strength. Okay, strength. Okay, it going to up and or down. Okay, number four is geopolitical issues like Middle East tension or Middle East war, that kind of issues. Okay, because market is moving a lot depend on geopolitical issues and fundamental factors, so we have to keep our concern on fundamental thing, then we can drive into technical thing. Okay, so let's get back into technical thing. And before I start, I need to close or I need to clear all of previous drawing. And as you can see, the market was started last week around that particular area and it just moved bearish momentum. If I especially select on weekly time frame, as per our trading style or analysis style, we always start with analyzing with high time frame, then we will continue our analysis in lower time frame. Okay, as you can see there, last 2 weeks we got two bearish candle. That means, as you can see there was a hammer confirmation and there was last week's candle, and that is going or moving bearish. You may ask me, Mr. Boom, you are saying that if where is happen, okay, around the world or anywhere around the world positive for gold, but in that case why gold is moving negative? Okay, there is two fundamental factors. Number one is US dollar strength. Okay, USD strength. Okay, even in US state dollar getting stronger day by day. There is a lot of factor, and we are sharing that kind of issues or what is the factor into our Telegram channel, so link in the video description box, so you can join there. Okay, number two is oil price is going higher. Okay, oil price is going higher. Okay, based on the oil US agreement or based on the oil US agreement, if oil price go higher, US dollar will get stronger automatically. Okay, that means in that case US dollar stronger means weakness for gold. Okay, US dollar, if US dollar got strongest point, gold will fall automatically. That is the thing right now or currently. Okay, so let's get back into daily time frame to check what we can do for next week or what we need to do in next week. So if I want to draw a trend line over there, okay, there to there, okay, let me make it perfect. Okay, if I want to make that like that, as you can see there is a breakout format over there. So as per our breakout trading strategy, we have to wait for a pullback, then we can continue selling, and that is based on the daily time frame. And as per our daily time frame analysis or as per daily time frame candle, there is a breakout happens already. And if I draw another trend line zone, that means resistance trend line or upper trend line, as you can see them, that is clearly showing that already breakout happened there. So we may expect next week more bearish momentum. So let's check our exact TP and entry point, entry SL and TP point. So if I want to get back into H4 time frame, that may be more clear than daily time frame. So if I want to find out the proper zone or proper area to take our entry or take our trade, so if I want to consider that area, okay, get to that. Okay, if I consider that particular area, as you can see there is a breakout, and we have to wait for a confirmation till that particular area, then we can continue consider sell entry. Okay, so that is for now, and we can take our entry from that particular area. Okay, and if we especially want to ask me, Mr. Boom, why sell for this particular area or why we can take sell entry in that particular area? Okay, as per you can see there, market is moving very bearish from last week. That means from last weeks, if I want to draw another trend line over there, okay, there is a trend line and there is breakout again, you can see there, pullback, then again there is sell confirmation. Okay, and if we consider that particular area as a breakout zone or bearish breakout area or zone. As you can see there is a breakout. We have to wait for another pullback, then we can continue sell entry. Okay, so we can consider that area or that particular zone as a sell zone. That means that zone. Okay, and we also have, if you want to go for support and resistance zone over there, like there. Okay, we have to minimum wait till that particular area, then we can consider sell entry. It actually based on candle confirmation. So when market opened and we got confirmation based on market, then we can consider sell entry or buy entry, depend on the candle confirmation. Like a pin bar confirmation like there, we can depend on the engulfing confirmation like there. Okay, so we have to wait for a proper confirmation like there. Okay, so then we can continue, or we can consider our buy or sell entry. Let's remove all of them and let analyze for small time frame trader or a small equity trader. As you can see there is a 15-minute time frame selected. Let me make it 13. Okay, perfect now, seems perfect now. Okay, if I want to draw a trend line over there, okay, consider that as a fake breakout. Okay, as you can see there is a breakout, pullback again, trying to go down. Okay, where we can wait or where we can take our TP in next level or next support area, where you may ask me, Mr. Boom, where we can continue till that particular area minimum. For another area is there. Okay, that particular area. So we can take first TP here and second TP here. Okay, and one more thing you must consider, that is risk and reward ratio, R/R. If you want to take one risk ratio, you have to take 3 risk reward ratio. Okay, that means if you want to take 50 bips SL, you have to take 150 bips SL. Okay, I'm sorry, TP and 50 bips SL. This is the risk to reward ratio. In that choppy market situation or volatile market situation, you must have to consider 1:3 risk reward ratios. Then you can win the market, or you can make a lot from the market. You may follow our all trading history from Telegram channel t.me/FX Billionaire Hub, link in the video description box. There we are sharing a lot of theory or analysis and technical, fundamental, all kind of news analysis and news data there, so you may check there, link in the video description box. I hope all things clear now. For more query or for free signal, free chart analysis, you may join our public Telegram channel, link in the description box. Mr. Boom signing off.